Today on Mom to Mom, we are making a DIY sick bag for your car. Have you ever been traveling with your kids and all of a sudden you hear those dreaded words, "I don't feel so well," and you're not fully prepared because let me tell you, it just comes out of nowhere. Well, today we are going to create our very own DIY car sick bag. You just keep it in your car and you know that you're 100% secure, especially if you're going out of town for vacations or holidays or whatnot. It's always good to have this. So what I usually use is a reusable Ziploc bag, and then I find all kinds of things that I can stick inside. I got Clorox wipes to go. These are really good to wipe them off if they do get sick. Some Dramamine, they have chewable ones, hand sanitizer, bottled water, and of course electrolytes to stick in that water. And the most important part are those grocery bags that you have. I keep 2 on hand, and we're just gonna shove it all in this bag, keep it in your car, so if you ever hear those dreaded words, you'll be fully prepared. If you have any other wonderful ideas that you use, we would love to hear it. You can message us on our Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.
Mom to Mom is brought to you by Perspectives Paint, Wallpaper, Window Treatments, and Upholstery.